Howdy, folks. Today we're taking a deep dive into the world of fish farming. Grab your boots and let's wade into this fascinating subject. First off, what exactly is fish farming? Well, it's the practice of raising fish commercially in tanks or enclosures, usually for food. Fish farms, also known as aquaculture, have been around for centuries, but modern technology has taken it to a whole new level. Now let's talk about the types of fish farms. There are three main types: freshwater, saltwater, and brackish water. Freshwater farms raise fish like tilapia, catfish, and trout. Saltwater farms are home to species like salmon, shrimp, and sea bass. Brackish water farms, which use a mix of fresh and salt water, often raise species like eels and certain types of shellfish. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how a fish farm operates. The first step is selecting the right species of fish. This depends on factors like water type, climate, and market demand. Once the species is chosen, the next step is setting up the tanks or ponds. These need to be carefully managed to maintain the right water quality, temperature, and oxygen levels. Next up is feeding. Fish on farms are typically fed a diet of pellets that are specially formulated to provide all the necessary nutrients. These pellets are designed to float or sink at different rates, ensuring that all the fish get a chance to eat. It's crucial to monitor feeding closely because overfeeding can pollute the water, while underfeeding can stunt fish growth. Now, water quality management is a big deal in fish farming. Farmers use various systems to keep the water clean and oxygenated. This could be anything from simple aerators to advanced filtration systems. Regular water testing is essential to check for things like pH levels, ammonia, and nitrates. Keeping the water in tip-top shape ensures the fish stay healthy and grow efficiently. Another critical aspect is disease control. Fish farms need to be vigilant about preventing diseases which can spread quickly in a crowded environment. This involves regular health checks, vaccinations, and sometimes the use of medications. Biosecurity measures like controlling access to the farm and disinfecting equipment are also important. Harvesting is the final step in the fish farming process. This usually involves draining the ponds or using nets to catch the fish. Once harvested, the fish are sorted, cleaned, and prepared for sale. Some farms process the fish on site, while others send them to external facilities. So, why is fish farming important? Well, with wild fish stocks declining due to overfishing and environmental changes, aquaculture provides a sustainable way to meet the growing demand for seafood. It also offers economic benefits, creating jobs and supporting local economies. One thing to keep in mind is that sustainable practices are key. Responsible fish farming involves minimizing environmental impact, using resources efficiently, and ensuring the welfare of the fish. As consumers, we can support sustainable aquaculture by choosing products certified by organizations like the Aquaculture Stewardship Council. All right, folks, that's a wrap on our deep dive into fish farming. I hope you all found this as fascinating as I do. Remember, the next time you enjoy a tasty fish dinner, there's a whole lot of work that goes into bringing that fish to your plate. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fishy content.